Please
A
start, ma'am.
very good morning to all of you. Greetings to one and all. I, Asmita Singh Desai, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, IMT College of Engineering, welcome you all to the third day mega event of Fun with Science. And before I start off, I would like to say congratulate to all of you that all these 2 days were really fun filled with science specifically. So yes, we are back. We are filled with energy and enthusiasm and with the motivation to put forward science in a progressive way. Science in the multidisciplinary way. Science as the mother of all. Yes, we know that. And as per the beautiful quote by Nelson Mandela, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Yes, education is something which believes in full persistence and deliverance. Education is one which, if succeeded in the right moment, at the right time, and at the right place, to all of the people, it is going to change the world. I'm proud that all of my students who are associated with IMT group of colleges are getting that. And to all the worldwide students who are in the field of education, because this is the root cause. This is the root wherein we put forward the perfect deliverance of all. So yes, welcome back to the third day mega event. So I would like to tell you all that what this day is going to be like that. So yes, we are going to put forth for the first time ever live on live Facebook. Yes, as I told you previously, the best essay competition, the topper is going to be with us, the first prize winner, the best comment, and to the best of the best people. We are going to connect them, we are going to contact them, and we are going to make them for you all live here on Facebook. Yes, this is the first time that we are going to do, and we are going to give the e-certificate of the excellence to the first prize holder as well. So I think I should not go into the delay and the delay of all the things. Before I would request, I can see so many lovely, beautiful comments that you are putting forth. Yes, some were really motivational. You really have the time right now. Also, you can do comment the best invention, best motivational quote in the field of science or in the field of education, which you feel like you can put forth, and we are going to connect you. We are going to contact you, and we are going to make you live here on Facebook. So yes, our first 2 days were like that. The very first day, we told you that how science has invented itself. Science in the field of engineering, how science is now developed and categorized into particular disciplinary areas, be it robotics, be it artificial intelligence, be it machine learning, be it Internet of Things. And if you all remember, I told you about a new term that forgot robots. We have what? Cobots. Yes, collaborative robots which run parallelly with the humans. So, and also I told you that if you have the challenge, you have the dream, you have the power to chase your dream, don't stop for anyone. Don't wait for anyone. You go ahead, do with full persistence, do with full vigor, and do it. That's what all those famous technologists that we showed you here, they did it. They started out with the garage in a single teeny garage, and now they are a multi-billionaire company. Be it Amazon, be it Apple, and Tesla or SpaceX, Elon Musk, that I would like to say is that he is the one who dreamt of landing people on Mars. It was his dream. Succeeded that. Now SpaceX is parallelly running along with NASA. If I talk about the Indian origin, we know that Sundar Pichai, who is the CEO of Google and Alphabet Inc., he was the creator of that, which is a parent company of Google. He is a proud alumni of IIT Kharagpur. You know what his branch was? It was materials engineering. You might be wondering, metallurgy, material engineering, and he is the CEO of Google. How come? Well, he took the shot. He went to USA and then he took a diploma over there. After that, he thought of changing his field and then he took a division in MIT. And that's where his journey began. That's where his journey began in the field in the era of internet. He was one of the few pioneers who brought internet to us, who brought Google to us. Yes, that's it. You have to chase the dream. No matter how many downfall or if anything comes along your way, just take it as a challenge. Take it as a challenge and then just go ahead with it. Our well-known, renowned Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He is the most famous scientist and a proud teacher. It was his last dream that if he ever was gonna die, that would be like he must be delivering lecture at that time. And I don't know, that might be if you are someone who is continuously into your passion, it fulfills. He was at that time, he was delivering lecture, he was giving knowledge, sharing the knowledge. And at that time, he passed away. But he may not be more with us, but his memories, his knowledge, everything, the experiences are with us. We are proud to have those famous and the knowledgeable scientists with us. The famous technologists which made our life at ease, at par with technology. Well, that was all day one, and then day two was all about, I gave you the live demo of our Research and Development Incubation Center. Yes, at the first time we had the live demonstration of our R&D lab. And IIMT College of Engineering, IIMT group of colleges are proud that all of the products and the prototypes that I showed you yesterday, they were patented and were praised by none other than our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi. Our college is working tirelessly day and night in the field of research and the development. Yes. Because I told you, research is what? Something which you're doing, which you're finding out how the way it has to be done. And when you find out the way how it is to be done, it becomes the development. It becomes in the progressiveness of development. Research and development goes hand in hand. Yes. So I welcome you all back again, and let me bring forth the few surprises. I have so many surprises for you all. So without wasting the time, I would request my web team to please contact those few lucky participants who are going to be with us live on live Facebook. So meanwhile, we are contacting them. I have a small video, a video filled with success, a video filled with inspiration, a video of our department, students who have proved themselves, who have brought down the laurels and the proud to us, to IIMT College of Engineering. So here's a small success video for you all. So before I just play it down, yes, we are connecting. After seeing the video, you're going to see a few lovely faces. So yes, I'm going to play the video for you all. And so let us explore the dimension of fun with science. So yes, we are back again and I can see so many few lovely faces over here. Welcome dear all students. So one by one, just introduce yourself. I'll go ahead with Miss Trapti Singh. I can see your name over here. Hello, Miss Trapti. Yes.
Hello. Good morning, respected ma'am. I'm so happy. I'm so glad that you selected me. I cannot just, express my feelings, my excitement over it. And
thank you. We are glad to have you here on this platform. Yes.
Myself, Shakti Singh, and I study in class 12th from CBSE board. My school name is Sri Gujarati Samaj AMN English Medium School, and I live in Indore. I'm from science stream PCM, and my future dream is to be a mechanical engineer and serve my society and do something innovative for them that can help in the development of our society. I'm so happy.
Wow, that's really great. Thank you, Trapti, and I feel so honored. Really, I'm telling you, this is I'm talking about my personal forefront. When I see girls talking about their first choice of preference being mechanical engineering. All the best, Trapti. So yes, coming next to Tulsi, we have here Tulsi. Am I audible to you?
My name is Tulsi and I am class 11 in Bharatra Global School, and I have chosen science stream PCB and I want to become a doctor.
Oh wow, see, you all can see a future buddy doctor over here. As you know, in the pandemic time, we doctors are the saviors of us. They are working day and night for us. So yes, तुलसी, आपको मैं फ्यूचर सल्यूट देती हूँ. आप मुझे पूरा यकीन है कि आप पक्का डॉक्टर बनेंगी. And here I can see my college student, my department student Mahesh over here. Hello, Mahesh.
Hello, ma'am. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, IMT. Thank you very much to Asmita, ma'am, for giving me a chance to be part of this very fun and loving event that you are hosting. And it's really great to be here, ma'am. And I'm very excited because I never expected I will get a chance to be here. And today I'm very excited.
Yes, it is a surprise moment for all of us, isn't it? So before I start off, one by one, I'll call your name and then we'll have a few discussions to let my viewers know these are the lucky few participants that our web team has connected and contacted them, and they're here with us on the Zoom platform and live to you. So yes, what our purpose is that we have one of the first prize winner as well over here. And see, we as faculties, we do and give our best. You know, we have a path and we have the path. Okay, and we always try to give them the best. To every knowledge, everything should go best to our students. But there are sometimes there's something which you might not be able to take it. पैंडेमिक का टाइम है, शट डाउन हो चुका है, लॉकडाउन हो चुका है, क्लासेस, you all must be missing your school and college also. There is a time you all must be missing your friends and the school life, the college life, and now everything has been turning online. Don't you think and don't you wonder that? So this is my first question, that how much you're missing your friends or your school life. That okay, I know this is corona time, I know this is pandemic time, but I do want to come out, but we can't, you know. So just in a minute or 10 to 15 seconds, one by one, please do share your feelings. I would go ahead. Yes, Trapti.
I'm feeling very sad that I'm, very much far away from them. I just wish that soon we just establish the vaccination and we will meeting our friends and, gossiping.
Yes, I know. And everywhere out there in the world, these researchers and the scientists and the doctors, they are working to get the vaccine developed for us. And we really wish, fingers crossed, that by the end of 2020, at least vaccine should come. So yes, Tulsi, what about you? What's your experience during this lockdown?
Yeah, so I also feel that this COVID-19 should stop and we shall go to school and enjoy our.
I know that really happens. You know, see how the students, they change. I mean, this is I'm talking to faculty and to the parents who are connected with us. यही बच्चे होते हैं जब स्कूल का टाइम होता है फिर हम कहते हैं कि बेटा आपको स्कूल जाना है, हाँ चले जाएंगे स्कूल चले जाएंगे। अब स्कूल बंद हो गया तो नो नो आई वांट टू गो टू स्कूल। यस महेश, व्हाट अबाउट यू? बेटा अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ।
Sorry, ma'am. Definitely, I am missing my college, and definitely we all are missing our college, all the college musti and all the college fun, and even the classes we used to take. And at the same moment, we have to act as a responsible citizen and follow all the instructions of the lockdown. So let's hope for the best. कि जल्दी सारी चीजें normal हो, and we will back to our friends and families. That's all I'm hoping, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, I can really well say that not only you three or I, that we are connected here in this window, everyone out there are missing their friends, their family, and the normal life. But what to do? This is the new normal, and I think we do have to adapt and adopt ourselves in this new normal. So also, like, you all must be wondering that now you're not able to go to school, so classes have become online. जिस फोन पे हम लोग आपको मना करते थे कि नो 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 डोंट यूज फोन, अब आज उसी फोन पे हम सब लोग आ चुके हैं. So yes, so what about that? You all must be taking that. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि अलग टैब में कोई गेम्स चल रहे होते हैं कि सेशंस और क्लासेस ही चल रहे होते हैं. That तो I will asking specifically to Mahesh. But to all these my school students, because school के बच्चे थोड़े ज्यादा हो जाते सिंसियर होते, वो दूसरे टैब पर गेम्स तो नहीं चलाते होंगे. So what about you, Tulsi? How your classes are going on?
My classes are going well, and I don't use the another tab to play games. I always continue my studies and enjoy the scenario that is going on.
That happens. I'll tell you how to balance these two things. Yes, Trapti, what about you? Yes.
My school is not providing any online classes right now, but I'm looking forward for it, that they will soon be providing it. But yeah, I'm referring some YouTube channels to study and make
Okay.
myself knowledge.
Wow. Self-learning and self-education, that's really great. And to all these schools that who are yet not able to provide the online education, actually all the way the government are like in connection with all the schools, and whenever your new session will begin now, so every classes will go online, so you don't have to worry that. And the best part is really very motivating to all the students who are like, if agar classes online, if they're not able to provide it, yes, you can learn yourself. And also, Trapti, I'm proud to announce you that our IMT College of Engineering, they are too providing the online education for specifically for school students as well, for their preparation for their engineering examinations and everything. You can do refer to all those YouTube channels that we have, and I will be sharing the links with you. And so yes, this is the thing. Since Trapti के motivation से मुझे एक और motivation याद आया था. There was one girl from Kerala, and she was not having internet. So what she used to do, and उसका जो rooftop था, it was not जैसे हमारे घर का जो proper छत होता है. It was not like that. It was a slope type of a rooftop. So she sat over there to get the internet on mobile phone, and she used to study over there. So there was one news reporter, he clicked her photograph and it was published in the newspaper The Hindu. And the very next day I saw, and I was like, my God, I'm definitely gonna tell this to my students. See that school student, she's sitting at the rooftop, and वो भी केरला की गर्मी इस समय, and इतने summer hot humid weather condition में वो बच्ची, I think 8th या 7th की होगी वो वहां पे अपने फोन और कॉपी के साथ बैठ के वो पढ़ रही थी. और मैं सबसे ज्यादा बात ये कि उस दिन मैंने वो न्यूज पढ़ी, सेकेंड डे उस बच्ची का फोटो लाइब्रेरी में आया कि वहां की गवर्नमेंट ने उस बच्ची का फोटो देखा, क्योंकि वो वायरल हो गया था वो फोटो बहुत ज्यादा, और गवर्नमेंट ने तुरंत ही उस बच्ची को लाइब्रेरी का फैसिलिटेशन दिया उसको, और प्लस इंटरनेट दिया. This is what determination is, and this is what my fun with science motivation was all about. आपके मन में एक छोटा सा भी ड्रीम है, उसके ऊपर लग जाना, कोशिश करते रहना, और वो कोशिश एक दिन जरूर पूरी होती है. So Mahesh, coming back to the same question to you.
Ma'am, just to add some humor, I would like to share one post I read yesterday. It
Yes.
was like कि पहले हम लोग क्लास में फोन चलाते थे, अब फोन में क्लास चल रही है. So the table has
Actually.
round. And
Yes.
yes, ma'am, completely virtual classes. Our college and our faculty are so dedicated. They are taking continuous online classes and assisting the students 24/7. And we are very lucky to have such faculties and college, so that we are getting the education in this pandemic situation too. Thank you.
Yeah. So yes, we too. It is actually both ways. We might be during the offline classes, we know that where to take our students from if you're not coming to the class to all the students. But during the online, we can't come to your home now. But I can tell you that during this pandemic, during the lockdown, we have more than 95% of attendance by all our students. So that is the two-way channel. Yes, Mahesh, you have correctly said that the table has rounded. The earth has revolved and everything is like now turning itself into another way. So yes, thank you so much, dear students, for connecting with us and for your prompt reply, for your prompt picking up the phone and your prompt corrective action. I wish you all the very best in your future. Mahesh, you are with us in the IMT College of Engineering. Our wishes are always with you, and to all of the department students who are watching us, मेरे विशेष सारे बच्चों के पास है, और ये दो स्पेसिफिकली जो मेरे प्यारे प्यारे दोनों बच्चे जो कनेक्ट हुए हैं, आई विश यू रियली रियली ऑल द बेस्ट. अच्छा, नाउ इट्स you are in 11th and you are in 12th. Trapti and Tulsi, would you like to join IMT group of colleges in future? Unmute yourself and just say.
I will be proud to join it. I will be so happy to join it.
Thank you. Tulsi?
Yeah, I also want to join if I get a chance.
Oh wow, that's so sweet. That's so sweet. And to all the students who have passed out 12th, you know that admissions are open. You can just click on the link imtindia.net. The admission forms are there. Register yourself and do come. We have all of the research. We have all of the developments over here with renowned faculties, with more than 20K students and with more than 6K faculties over here. So yes, with fully furnished labs and the classrooms with digital enhancements, we took the peer evaluations for you all. So Trapti, you know that there's a surprise for you, as I'm going to show you. You were the first position holder for our essay competition that you took part, and I'm sharing this certificate for you. And the same certificate after 11 a.m. and I will be mailing the same certificates to you. So very, very much congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Yes, this is your e-certificate of excellence.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm so happy.
Yeah, we really liked your essay. We really do like your essay. And also to all the students, not only Trapti's, but everyone's essay were really filled with dream and inspiration. And I'm so proud to say that the students all over here, especially the school students, they know how to go for it. They're well prepared in advance. There was 90s time we used to think step by step, okay, class 8th ho gaya hai, class 9th ho gaya hai, 10th ho gaya hai. So yes, Trapti, just share one proud moment that you would like to share. Unmute yourself, Peter. आपका माइक म्यूट कर है. एक बार फिर से करिए. जब तक आप अनम्यूट कर रहे हो तब तक तुलसी आप बताओ. Any proud moment that you would like to share? Okay, Mahesh. Any proud moment that you would like
Yes,
to share?
There are so many moments I enjoyed during my school or anywhere in my college, and one proud moment that I would cherish forever in my life, that is IMT give us an opportunity that whosoever tops his branch, he gets a scholarship through the MD and some chief guests which they invite. And I was that lucky person through the hard work of my teachers and my uh, all the all the friends who helped me to achieve that glory. I finally got 25,000 cash prize through
Wow.
MD sir. That was something I can cherish for my whole lifetime.
Yes, actually, thank you so much, Mesh, and congratulations for that. To all the
Thank you,
meritorious
ma'am.
students, we are providing a scholarship worth up to 2 crores, and also the branch toppers are getting free foreign tour. Free foreign tour. All you have to do is to pack your clothes, pack your suitcase, and we are sending you to a good foreign trip. Yes, that's what IIMT group of colleges is. That what IIMT College of Engineering is, and we do provide all the platform. All you have to do is to learn, study, and create the knowledge and work in the field of development. So yes, thank you so much to all the dear viewers who have connected with us over here. We do have told you all the 3 mega event day is now about to end. I know I do have feeling bad for this thing. Yes, we are coming to an end of the show. But before the end, I would like to thank our Managing Director, Sir Mayank Sir, our Director, College of Engineering, Gaurav Sinha Sir, our Deputy Director, Dr. Sanjay Pachori Sir, our Head of Department, Manoj Sir, our Head of Department in R&D Sir, Dr. Saswat Das Sir, and to all the Mechanical Department faculties, and especially our web team, Brajesh sir and Mrityunjay sir, they have really connected to all the students and connecting us over here. And I would like to congratulate and I'm thankful to all my dear students of mechanical engineering. And yes, Mahesh, I can see that you want to say some quote. Yes, unmute yourself and say it. We'll end with your quote.
I was expecting I will get a little more time, so I was
No problem.
saving that quotation for the later on. But as I
Okay,
can
yes,
see that
please
session is
say.
about to end,
Yes,
I would just love to add some valuable quotation that
yes,
during this pandemic, we all are suffering and we all have struck somewhere and some in situation. The world has paused for a moment, and but what I can say, what I realize is I would like to share with a few quote, and that is which goes like this: कि यूं ही नहीं गिरते किस्मत के फूल झोली में, वक्त की शाख को हिलाना होगा। यूं नहीं गिरते किस्मत के फूल झोली में, वक्त के शाख को हिलाना होगा। कुछ नहीं होगा अंधेरे को बुरा कहकर, अपने हिस्से का दिया खुद ही जलाना होगा। So this line means that uh, whatever we have to do is do by ourselves. We can't blame on situation. We
yes,
can't blame on person. So the
definitely.
situation is according to us. That's all I want
That's
to say.
very
Ma'am. Thank
true.
you very much for giving me chance to present my quote. Thank you. Ma'am.
थैंक यू महेश। दैट्स कितनी प्यारी बात बोल गई कि सच में आपको इंतजार मत करिए और कुछ नहीं, बस जस्ट गो अहेड विद द फ्लो, गो अहेड विथ योर एनर्जी, गो अहेड विथ योर enthusiasm, and you will definitely will bring out, will chase the dream. So yes, I am thankful to all my IMT College of Engineering, all of the people who have worked day and night for us in making this for 3 days mega event of fun with science. With here, I wish you all the best. Keep exploring yourself. This day might be ending, this event might be ending, but the education, your dreams should never end. This is the journey. Go ahead with your journey. Fulfill your dreams. Chase your dreams. So yes, a very congratulations to all of you and all the best to each and every one over here. I wish you all the best. Thank you so much. Thank you.